Hello YouTube, welcome to Sunday in the shop. We are one side of the shop done and one corner so far. So we're halfway done of cleaning and remodeling. I'll get up close and show you that clock I got at a thrift store for $4. We'll get some closer shots of that. Our engine's up there. We're not organized, we're just been putting stuff up there to get it out of our way. We moved our toolbox over here. This is where the drill press used to be. It's a lot easier to come in and get tools now. And the drill press is over by the window where you get more natural light. It was always in dark in that corner. You can see I've got a lamp hanging up there right now. Okay, we'll pause and we'll show you some stuff up close. We'll walk over there. Then we will put you on the tripod and show you some of the lost tools we found cleaning up. Okay, we found this for $4 at a thrift store. It says sports chronograph and it is glow in the dark. So that's kind of neat. The flies in here are terrible. I've had the door open. That's a good spot for that. Here's my 5-horse Briggs. Sorry if I go fast with the camera. 3.5-horse Briggs. My Honda 8-horse. I put it on a board because that's a lot of weight. I moved that on, took it off my bench by setting in the chair, put it on my tool cart, rolled it over here and took it off. That's the only way I could move it. This stuff's not really organized yet. Of course, there's my band belt sander. And my little Rockwell tabletop saw. It's got like a jigsaw blade. It goes up and down. Most of my regular subscribers have seen all this stuff. And over to here. This is where the stereo will go. My battery box, I don't use it anymore because I have a car battery. It's kind of a neat item. The lights light up and that lights up green. It plays 4 hours of the old radio spooky programs. Found that at a Menards big box store. Halloween little toy. My old fan. Over here to the toolbox. So that about covers it up close there. So we'll pause, we'll spin you around and we'll show you the corner where the drill press is. Okay, there's probably where the welder will be. And that's where the torch will be. And that stand is not really that sturdy with the spindly little legs on it. It's like 1-inch square tubing. We will be putting a safety chain or strap to the wall. We don't want to get it too much on the window, blow out the picture there, but that's where the drill press will be. Get you up a little bit closer. We're going to hook something to the thing there, but this is nice. I used to keep paint at the bottom of it. That's where I put all my drill bits and stuff. This come out of a doctor's office. It had to, I'm sure it is. It was white. I'm sure that's where it came from. But there you go. Drill press has a new home, and there's plenty of light coming in the window all day. I don't even need a lamp to drill a hole. Okay, off to putting you on the tripod, and we'll show you some of the lost tools we recovered. Okay, cleaning out the desk, we found these. And I will take a picture of these. These are made in, I'm sure they're made in England. They have stainless inserts. Very nice pair of scissors. They don't really catch them like, but you know, scissors get caught in your hand. You know, the cheap ones, your hand stuck in there. So I'll take a close-up of the writing of those, because they are interesting. I will be restoring these and polishing these. This is neat. This was made without a lathe. This was all free-handed. This was a big Allen wrench. Or, no, I'm wrong. This is the piece that drives the oil pump in a Ford that comes out of the distributor. You could do this on a Sunday. And that's part of an old ink pen. At least this is. So this could be too. But yeah, this is all handmade way back before I had a lathe. So it's kind of a neat little hammer. Okay, here's something I really missed having. I use this for welding and working on stuff. It's got tennis racket wrap on it. No, I'm not advertising for that company. And this was another one that was probably all rusted, decrepit, and I redid it. So that's nice. Okay. Then I found this in my desk, which I did not know where it went. It's supposed to be in my carpenter box. This is the S-Wing 12 ounce. Very nice little small hammer for small framing work, small carpentry work. That was really a plus. Just a junky pair of needle nose I use for welding, and they're all stiff. But I don't mind that because I might want to clamp on something, hold it while I'm going to weld it. So I don't care if they're stiff. They act like a small clamp. And you can tell they've been welded with. You know where those came from. That's probably why I didn't care if I destroyed them. Some of that stuff fell down behind my welding bench, and I had metal piled on top of it and scraps. Big 1 1/4 inch cheapy imported wrench, which if I have another one, this might be turned into some project. I have one of these I found with a curve in it when I was magnet fishing, but this is a really nice one too. No name that I know of. A little flat, I call it a Wonder Bar. So nice to find that. That stuff would go in my carpenter box. A big old clamp that needs repaired. Now, I just seen a video where they machined a piece of aluminum on a lathe. I don't know if it was Mr. Pete 222 or who it was. It could have been Scout Crafter. If you watch Scout Crafter, I don't need to put a link. Just type it in. He restores old tools. He'll go over the top on some stuff, make stuff really neat, so I'll give him a plug. These are Williams company. Definitely worth fixing, even if I just use it for welding and keep destroying it. So it's worth fixing. I cannot tell you what size it is. Not even really going to worry about that. Okay, here's another thing I lost. I used to use these before I bought any tire irons. So you can still use these on like garden tractor tires. See where that's been modified like into a spoon shape? An old poor beat up Craftsman. I don't think I'd even want to try to restore that handle, but I will scrub it up to clean it. Here's another one. I've had this for years. I've pounded on this thing. I've used it for a chisel because that's metal all the way through. It is also shaped that way for doing small tires. So there you go on that. That's about it. About it for the video. I'm tired. This has been many days, it seems like, since I started this project. Excuse me, since I started doing these shelves up here. So thanks for watching, and I'll leave you just a few pictures. I'll take some close-ups of my engine collection over there. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you next week.